Picture window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Palmetto Bay seeking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal. With a variety of custom window designs available, residents can select the perfect style to complement their home's architecture. Picture window replacement in Palmetto Bay is expertly handled by residential window experts who ensure a seamless fit and finish for picture windows Palmetto Bay. Energy-efficient windows are a top priority for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Energy-efficient window services in Palmetto Bay offer a range of options, including double-pane windows and vinyl window options, to help homeowners achieve optimal insulation. Window insulation services in Palmetto Bay are designed to keep homes comfortable year-round, making them an excellent match for picture windows Palmetto Bay. Window frame replacement is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. In Palmetto Bay, window frame replacement services ensure that your windows are secure and functioning properly. Window seal replacement in Palmetto Bay is also crucial for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency, especially when upgrading to picture windows Palmetto Bay. Custom window designs allow homeowners to express their personal style while enhancing their home's curb appeal. Custom window installation in Palmetto Bay provides tailored solutions to meet the unique needs of each home. Window-style consultation services in Palmetto Bay help homeowners choose the best designs for their space, including beautiful picture windows Palmetto Bay. Double-pane windows are an excellent choice for those seeking improved insulation and noise reduction. Double-pane window experts in Palmetto Bay offer professional installation and maintenance services to ensure long-lasting performance. Window noise reduction in Palmetto Bay is a key benefit of choosing double-pane windows, which pair well with picture windows Palmetto Bay. Window glass installation is a necessary service for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. In Palmetto Bay, window glass installation services address issues such as cracks, chips, and fogging. Window cleaning solutions in Palmetto Bay help keep your windows looking pristine, ensuring clear views through picture windows Palmetto Bay. Home window upgrades are a smart investment for increasing property value and enhancing comfort. Home window upgrades in Palmetto Bay include options like window hardware updates and window screen replacement. Window maintenance tips in Palmetto Bay provide guidance on keeping your windows in top condition, especially for picture windows Palmetto Bay. Window seal replacement is vital for preventing air leaks and improving energy efficiency. In Palmetto Bay, window seal replacement services ensure that your windows are properly sealed and insulated. Window weatherproofing in Palmetto Bay protects your home from the elements, extending the lifespan of picture windows Palmetto Bay. Vinyl window options are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Vinyl window replacement in Palmetto Bay offers a cost-effective solution for homeowners seeking to upgrade their windows. Window warranty services in Palmetto Bay provide peace of mind with long-term protection, which is also available for picture windows Palmetto Bay. Window insulation services are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. In Palmetto Bay, window insulation services help reduce energy consumption and improve home comfort. Window tinting options in Palmetto Bay offer additional benefits such as UV protection and glare reduction, making them a great complement to picture windows Palmetto Bay. Discover the latest window design trends Palmetto Bay has to offer with our expert window-style consultation services. Our residential window experts in Palmetto Bay provide insights into the most popular custom window designs and energy-efficient window services. Stay ahead with the best window design trends Palmetto Bay residents love, especially picture windows Palmetto Bay. Enhance your home with picture window installation and picture window replacement Palmetto Bay services. Our picture window experts in Palmetto Bay specialize in creating stunning views with custom window installation Palmetto Bay solutions. Trust our team for all your picture windows Palmetto Bay needs. Upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows and double-pane windows Palmetto Bay. Our double-pane window experts in Palmetto Bay ensure maximum insulation and energy savings. Experience the benefits of energy-efficient window services Palmetto Bay residents rely on for comfort and cost savings, particularly when paired with picture windows Palmetto Bay. Ensure your windows are in top condition with window maintenance tips and window hardware updates. Our window maintenance Palmetto Bay services include window seal replacement and window screen replacement Palmetto Bay. Keep your windows functioning smoothly with our comprehensive window maintenance solutions, ideal for picture windows Palmetto Bay. Protect your home with window security features and window noise reduction Palmetto Bay services. Our window security features Palmetto Bay options provide peace of mind, while our window noise reduction Palmetto Bay solutions ensure a quiet and serene environment. Enhance your home's security and comfort with our expert services for picture windows Palmetto Bay. Choose vinyl window options and vinyl window replacement Palmetto Bay for durable and stylish solutions. Our vinyl window replacement Palmetto Bay services offer a wide range of styles and colors to match your home's aesthetic. Enjoy the benefits of low maintenance and long-lasting vinyl windows that work beautifully with picture windows Palmetto Bay. Optimize your windows with window insulation services and window weatherproofing Palmetto Bay. Our window insulation services Palmetto Bay ensure your home stays comfortable year-round, while our window weatherproofing Palmetto Bay solutions protect against the elements. Trust our experts for superior window insulation and weatherproofing for picture windows Palmetto Bay. Keep your windows spotless with window cleaning solutions Palmetto Bay. Our window cleaning solutions Palmetto Bay services ensure your windows are crystal clear and free from dirt and grime. Enjoy a streak-free shine with our professional window cleaning services, maintaining the clarity of picture windows Palmetto Bay. Explore window tinting options and window tinting Palmetto Bay services for added privacy and UV protection. Our window tinting Palmetto Bay solutions offer a range of shades and styles to suit your needs. Enhance your home's privacy and energy efficiency with our expert window tinting services, perfect for picture windows Palmetto Bay. Get accurate window measurement services and window measurement services Palmetto Bay for perfect fit and installation. Our window measurement services Palmetto Bay ensure precise measurements for seamless window installation. Trust our experts for accurate and reliable window measurement services, especially for picture windows Palmetto Bay. Benefit from window warranty services and window warranty services Palmetto Bay for peace of mind. Our window warranty services Palmetto Bay provide comprehensive coverage for your windows, ensuring long-term protection and satisfaction. Enjoy the security of our reliable window warranty services for picture windows Palmetto Bay.